Welcome to Hari Systems. In this session, you will learn how to write Hello World program. That is the first program of Python. We are using PyCharm IDE to write Hello World program. Create new project. The title of the project. Welcome. Create. Here it's creating the structure of the project. The IDE will take care all these things. Once it is created the skeleton, now see here the project name, it's called welcome, it's given. Right click on the folder, you expand it, you will see this is the structure. Right click on welcome, new, these are the files. I am selecting Python file. This is the file. I am giving a name as hello. The kind of file is Python file. Hello.py. The .py is an extension of Python file. Here I am writing print braces start and hello world. Once completed the writing, go to run, click run, or the shortcut of keyboard is Alt Shift F10. Click run and select hello. Now you will see here the hello world is printed on the output. Congratulations, you have done successfully the first program of Python. In next session and next videos you will see many programs and all updates of the Python and many more. Please subscribe and press bell to get more updates from this channel. Like, share and comment of your views. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.